Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. So today, ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo is yung construction update natin kay Allegra Garden Place. Okay po? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So right now, nandito ako ngayon kay Allegra Garden Place. So i-update ko kayo ngayon currently dito sa construction update niya. So as of September 2024, we're on 87% na completion na ito pong project na to. So right now, itong si Amina Building, ito pong nasa likuran ko, this is the first building. So currently yan, mag-start na silang mag-turnover para po dito sa building na yun. Pero itulong ko muna kayo dito sa amenity natin. So this is the portion, itong pool na to, this is the portion wherein nandun yung rock slide pool. And then dito sa side na to, nandito yung lap pool natin. Okay, and then nandun sa other side yung lounge pool natin. And also the play area, kung nakikita ninyo, nandito po sa side na to yung play area, nasa likuran ko. Okay, so for this project po, this one is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay? In Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Ngayon kung nadadaan kayo sa Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market going to BGC, makikita nyo siya sa right side. So katabi niya si Prisma Residences actually. Okay, so for this project, we have two high-rise residential condominiums po that compose of 56 stories per each building, okay? So for this project, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. So lahat po yun, may mga available pa tayo, pero sa mga 3-bedroom units, very limited na lang siya. And kay Soraya Building po yun. So nasa Soraya Building, ito po si Soraya Building, itong building na nasa likuran ko. So both buildings hanggang 56 floors siya, and dito po marami pong nagbago sa project na to. So first of all, yung doors and windows natin, mas pinalakihan na natin. And also, yung standard na steel railing balcony natin, ginawa na natin siyang glass balcony. So, napakaganda. So, right now, dinidevelop pa rin nila yung amenity area ni Allegra Garden Place. Hindi pa rin siya completed. Pero, nakikita nyo naman, di ba, napakaganda na at mahangin na rin dito sa area nito. Lalo na pagka lumaki na yung mga trees natin dito sa amenity area, mas gaganda na yung view natin dito sa area na to. Okay, so after this video po, itutur ko kayo because I'd like also to inform you that we can view na a 1-bedroom unit and 2-bedroom unit dito. So for those who are interested po to invest, to purchase a unit here in Allegra Garden Place, pwede ko nang ipakita sa inyo yung 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom muna. Okay, na 55 square meters. Pero yung 60 square meters, wala pa po tayo naka-ready. Pero eventually, magkakaroon din tayo ng ready na unit na pwedeng ipa-view sa ating mga clients. Okay? So, ayun po. So, that concludes my construction update for Allegra Garden Place. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandyan yung numbers ko po, naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. We can also schedule a site viewing or an online presentation, okay? So thank you very much for watching po. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify po kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.